4 lessons learned from drinking apple cider vinegar with every meal. Apple cider vinegar has been valued for its remarkable uses for over 12,000 years in Assyria Babylon, by the Egyptians, and also used by the Greeks 2,400 years ago. Namely, it is fermented juice derived from crushed apples, and includes numerous vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, vitamin B2, vitamins B1, vitamin B6, citric acid, acetic acid, folic acid, biotin, pantothenic acid, niacin, potassium, iron, pectin, magnesium, phosphorus, sodium, calcium. Therefore, its regular use provides amazing health benefits. You can add it to your cooking recipes, to mayonnaise and salads. You can also drink it diluted in water. The recommended intake of apple cider vinegar is 1–2 tablespoons on a daily basis. Moreover, you can effectively treat flu, common cold, promote weight loss and fight cancer by consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar diluted in a glass of water. This remarkable item is also effective in the treatments of scars and wounds. Note that in case you are taking blood sugar lowering medications, you should consult your doctor when you intend to increase the intake of apple cider vinegar. There are 4 main reasons why you should drink it before meals. 1. Apple cider vinegar is extremely useful in the case of diabetes and prediabetes, as it regulates the blood sugar levels and the insulin function. Namely, it lowers the blood glucose and insulin responses, as well as blood sugar. The consumption of 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before going to sleep will lower fasting blood sugars by 4%. 2. The use of apple cider vinegar helps the use of iron from the foods. Namely, it helps its release. Iron is the main ingredient of hemoglobin and myoglobin, which carry oxygen to cells, which is vital for the burning process of calories and their conversion into energy. 3. Chinese believe it to have a beneficial effect in the case of esophageal cancer. Newest research also suggests that it successfully prevents cancer. Namely, the natural treatment of cancer requires body alkalizing. Regular vinegar has a neutral pH hash factor, so if you are trying to reach a more alkaline internal pH level, the combination of apple cider vinegar and baking soda will cut down on the bicarbonates produced by the pancreas. In this way, you will efficiently alkalize and oxygenate the body, and create an environment which is not suitable for the growth of cancer. Numerous human studies have shown that its use also helps you to consume fewer calories and burn them in order to convert them into energy, and thus lose excess weight. Moreover, its consumption with high-carb meals provides a feeling of satiety. Consequently, according to studies, people consume 200–275 fewer calories during the day. One study, which includes obese individuals which were tested for 12 weeks, found that daily vinegar consumption led to reduced belly fat, waist circumference, lower blood triglycerides and weight loss. These are the findings: 1 tablespoon, lost 2.6 pounds. 2 tablespoons, lost 3.7 pounds. Furthermore, apple cider vinegar has numerous other health benefits, such as, relieves arthritis pain, calms the stomach, prevents and fights infections, lowers high blood pressure, helps in the case of sinus problems, improves circulation, relieves and heals sunburn, relieves bites and prevents infections, treats and relieves acne, treats vaginal infections, vaginitis, relieves sore throats, alleviates leg cramps and pain, slow digestion, gastroparesis, fights the conditions related to shingles, strengthens weak bones, osteoporosis, treats and prevents dandruff, tinnitus, hiccups, chronic fatigue, peptic ulcer, ear infection, chicken pox, asthma, bladder infection, cataracts, dizziness, morning sickness, insomnia, hot flashes, muscular cramps, diaper rash, allergies, corns, age spots, acid reflux, indigestion, depression, varicose veins, hives, nosebleed, nail fungus, jellyfish stings, eczema, diarrhea, aging, heat exhaustion, poison oak/poison ivy, head lice, gallbladder disorders, liver disease, swimmer's ear, gout, hair loss, athlete's foot, kidney disease, constipation, yeast infections, colds and flu, bruising, hemorrhoids, menstrual issues, flatulence, pet sickness, cough, moles, night sweats, kidney stones, impetigo, headaches, warts, canker sores, cuts, burns, food poisoning,